So I'm on an iPhone here and I went to the App Store and I typed Zen Planner in the top. And I see the Zen Planner Member App for fitness businesses. You want to download this and open this. This ties you into our backend system that we use for billing and your credit cards and if you buy retail and when you check in on the kiosk at the gym. When you get this, you're going to sign in with your same email address and password that you have that you use at the gym for purchase and retail or that you've dealt with the member portal. I've already signed in and with my user email and my password, so I'm in. And the first default here is that you can actually reserve class. We don't really use the reserve feature much. Once in a while we might have to start restricting classes, but we really haven't had to use it here, so you don't really need to worry about that. What will be nice is there's a new feature in the future that will allow you to check in, then as you're walking in or pulling the parking lot or whatever, you can check in. Or just obviously use the kiosk like you're using today. But if you actually check reserve here, that doesn't mean that you're checked in for class, so you'll still need to check in. But the important part of this app that we're trying to get set up here is that you can start to manage, that's the wrong place. You hit your name or your picture here, you can start to see what your payment methods are. You can manage your credit cards. You can add new ones, so if it gets lost or stolen, you'll be able to update that really easily. You can also see what your bills are. So if you have a question about some of the bills, you can have some more information here. You can all do this on the member portal as well, using a phone, Safari browser, or Chrome browser, or your computer. But this mobile app makes it a little nicer because then you can touch your picture and actually change your photo, update your photo so coaches and everyone can learn your name, and you'll have a better picture up there on the screen when we're checking in. And then if we have a notification, which we don't have, but let's say there was an emergency, like the landlord said, we're doing the parking lot and we couldn't do anything about it, or there's a water break or something we need to cancel. We don't have any there, but that can happen. And then really the big thing we're setting ourselves up for here is workouts. Now, you're not going to have workouts in there. I put this in there for today and for this demo. This is something we're going to launch in January, but you're going to be able to do this and then you're going to be able to log your result. So if I was actually going to the Fusion class, I could see the Fusion workout, we could see a leaderboard. I'll be able to track and see percentages of my scores too. So you'll be able to see like, oh, what's my back squat, or what's my overhead squat, or my deadlift, or bench press, or anything. And then you'll be able to see percentages and whatnot like that. So it'll give us a better tracking for yourself and for coaches to see and to help you along the way. So basically go and download this from the App Store, or there's an Android version as well. We'll put links below that you'll be able to click on. But yeah, let's get downloaded, get installed, and then in the new year, here we'll start introducing some workouts and some tracking here. But it gives you other flexibility that you could do, update that picture, make sure your credit cards are up to date, delete old ones, things like that. All right, have a good one. Thanks.